Hey guys, I'm Marian Elise and welcome back to my channel. So today, y'all, I have a very funny story. Have you ever gotten ready and did your makeup, but your hair is not done? It is still in your bonnet and you have to be out the door very quickly. But your hair is not done because you spent so much time either sleeping or doing your makeup and you're wondering, what can I do? I can't go out the house with this. So you decide to take your bonnet off and you're like, oh, no, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. So then you decide to take off your scarf and your hair looks crazy. You need to go to the grocery store, you have to go to work, you have to go to school, and you look like this? What? And you're running out of time? You have literally less than 1 minute to be out the door. I don't have a watch on, but y'all get the point. What if I told you I had a solution? Yes, girl, a solution, something quick and easy. Quick and easy. It only takes literally less than a minute. Yes, a minute, girl. I'm about to show you. We're going to help you guys out and find you something very simple. Give it to her. Drop it. Oh, she got it. So today I'll be reviewing this Beauty Forever. Yes, Beauty Forever wig. Yes, it's a wig, and I'm going to show y'all why it takes you less than a minute. So it came packaged in this beautiful box. Here's the hair right here, all wrapped up nicely. And it also came with this card showing all of the styles that they sell, as well as all of their information about their hair, and eyelashes and a wig cap. Boom. Here's the wig, y'all. Do y'all believe this? Because I did not believe this until I saw it. This is their black adjustable human hair cap wig. Y'all, look at this wig. It is a wig, y'all. It is a cap wig. It came just like this. I did not do anything to it. It just, boom, just like that. This is the Jerry Curly style. They also sell it in straight, so y'all can choose between straight and curly. The hair was full to the ends. The curls are beautiful. And wait till I run my fingers through it. No shedding. I didn't get any shedding. It was very soft. The curls are just juicy and beautiful. No shedding. What? No. This is also adjustable. So I kind of got my hair tangled up, but you can open it up for more room, which I had to do because my head is kind of big. And watch this. Literally 1 minute and the hat is on and you're ready. Now, if you chose to get the curly wig, all you have to do is run your fingers through it until you get your curls as big as you want them to be, and the hair just comes to life. To life. Y'all, look at this. This is so gorgeous. It is so easy. If you need to go to the store and you don't want to do your hair, you don't have to do anything but pop a cap on. And it's so cute, so simple. Just don't take your cap off, okay? Just whatever you do, keep it on. And it's very secure, so it fit on my head very fine. Like I said, I did have to undo my strap, but you know, it gave me more room to work with. If you have a smaller head, you can always close it back up. So it's not a big deal. But I love this wig. I want it straight. I need it curly. I need it in wavy because it is popping. The wig only comes in one length, so this is a 20-inch. Hopefully they might offer some other lengths. But either way, y'all, this is gorgeous. So I love long hair, but this is beautiful. I love it. I love it so much. And it's that Amazon Prime 2-day shipping. I will leave the link down below so you can get you one too, girl, because everybody needs one of these, y'all. It is real human hair, so you can wash it, you can curl it, you can straighten it, you can do whatever you want to it. You can apply heat to it. But that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.